lesson, we are going to see 9th Standard Science, Lesson 3, Fluids, book back question answers and exercises. First one, choose the correct answer. The size of an air bubble rising up in water. Options A, decreases. Option B, increases. Option C, remains same. Option D, may increase or decrease. The correct answer is option B, increases. Second one, clouds float in atmosphere because of their low. Option A, density. Option B, pressure. Option C, velocity. Option D, mass. The correct answer is option A, density. Third question, in a pressure cooker, the food is cooked faster because. Option A, increased pressure lowers the boiling point. Option B, increased pressure raises the boiling point. Option C, decreased pressure raises the boiling point. Option D, increased pressure lowers the melting point. The correct answer is option B, increased pressure raises the boiling point. Fourth question, an empty plastic bottle closed with an airtight stopper is pushed down into a bucket filled with water. As the bottle is pushed down, there is an increasing force on the bottom. This is because option A, more volume of liquid is displaced. Option B, more weight of liquid is displaced. Option C, pressure increases with depth. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option C, pressure increases with depth. Next, fill in the blanks. First question, the weight of the body immersed in a liquid appears to be dash than its actual weight. The correct answer is less. Second question, the instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure is dash. Answer, barometer. Third one, the magnitude of Boylan force acting on an object immersed in the liquid depends on dash of the liquid. The answer is density. Fourth question, a drinking straw works on the existence of dash. Answer, atmospheric pressure. Roman letter 3, state whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. Question number 1, the weight of fluid displaced determines the Boylan force on an object. Answer, true. Second question, the shape of an object helps to determine whether the object will float or not. Answer, false. The correct statement is the density of an object helps to determine whether the object will float or not. Third one, the foundations of high-rise buildings are kept wide so that they may exert more pressure on the ground. Answer, false. The correct statement is the foundations of high-rise buildings are kept wide so that they may exert less pressure on the ground. Fourth question, Archimedes' principle can also be applied to gases. Answer, true. Fifth question, hydraulic press is used in the extraction of oil from oil seeds. Answer, true. Match the following. Density. The correct answer is mass by volume. 1 GWT, 1 gravitation weight. Answer, 980 dyne. Pascal's law. Answer, pressure. Pressure exerted by a fluid. Answer, H rho G. Lactometer. Answer, milk. Answer in brief. On what factors the pressure exerted by the liquid depends on? Answer, the pressure exerted by the liquid depends on the depth, density of the liquid, acceleration due to gravity. Second question, why does a helium balloon float in air? Answer. Helium balloon floats in air because helium gas is less dense than air. Third question. Why it is easy to swim in river water than in sea water? Answer. The question itself is wrong. It is easier to swim in sea water than in river water. It is because sea water has greater density and larger buoyant force than river water. Fourth question. What is meant by atmospheric pressure? Answer. The pressure exerted by the weight of atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Fifth question. State Pascal's law. Answer. External pressure applied on an incompressible liquid is transmitted uniformly throughout the liquid. Assertion and reason type questions. Mark the correct answer as option A, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, if assertion is true but reason is false. Option D, if assertion is false but reason is true. Question number 1. Assertion. To float, body must displace liquid whose weight is equal to the actual weight. Reason. The body will experience no net downward force in that case. Answer. Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 2. Assertion. Pascal's law is the working principle of a hydraulic lift. Reason. Pressure is thrust per unit area. Answer. Both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Correct reason is Pascal's law is the working principle of hydraulic lift. In hydraulic lift, applied pressure is transmitted uniformly and multiplied throughout the system.